Alright. Come on, you're gonna tell us about the pencils, right?
Alright, I'm going to give the Lyra Germany Colored Pencils a review. Let me start with the color range, and the color range is just great. I find this very important because you can choose a lot of different colors. They have 4 different quantity types of drawing tints: the 12, 24, 36 and 72, and I'm gonna test the 72 set. These pencils are oil based. I also received a beautiful pencil case with graphite pencils with different hardnesses. It also contains pastel pencils and charcoal pencils, but I will test this set later in another review. Alright guys, let's test this set out. Unfortunately, I noticed that blending is not really easy with these pencils. I have a hard time mixing colors together, and I think that's a little bit a shame because blending is one of the most important things. I also find it very difficult to sharpen them, because the tip of the pencil breaks very easily when you sharpen the pencil. But once the pencil is sharpened, it will last you a long time. But I think the colors are very beautiful and are very strong and vibrant. So I think that I found these pencils very suitable, especially if you make, for example, Disney art or cartoon art. But I would not recommend them for drawing portraits at the moment because blending is just very difficult. The colors are beautiful and the pencils are great for small details, because if you have sharpened a sharp point, you can use it for a long time. I want to try these pencils again, but with a different work. And I think I have to find a way what is the best technique to use these pencils.
So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.